Hello friends, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to our new session. Today we are going to do work in the machine learning environment. So for that, first of all, you have to click on the Python environment, and after that we are going to click on File menu and then click on Open ML environment. It is asking for downloading the dependencies. No, so let's go for that first. Let's download the dependencies that are required. Then click on the file first, click on Open ML environment, and after that we will click on create a new project, and there we are going to give it a name as cancer detection, and then we are going to select for the image classifier and then click on create new project. Here you will see we are going to have two classes, class 1, class 2. We are going to rename it. I'm going to rename it C for cancer and C for non-cancer. So now we are going to upload the images that I have already installed in my files. Then I'm going to click on downloads and I will click on upload files. 36 pictures I have uploaded for the cancer patient and now for the non-cancer patient. Healthy lung, then click on this one. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Now we are going to click on the train model. Now you can see training has been completed. Now what we will do, we will do the testing. Here I am going to do for the testing. This is for healthy lung. Let's upload this picture first. You can see it is showing under NC, means healthy. Now let's upload one more picture of cancer based. So this was all about the machine learning environment in Python. I hope you liked the video. So stay tuned to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?